Practically, all of our celebrations and get-togethers end with a meal. Baptism of a child, first communion, weddings, ordinations, first or final professions of sisters and religious, even for funeral on the month's mind, on the first death anniversary, jubilees, parish feast, and other main feasts. We serve meal to others. Why? Do they lack in food? Surely not. They have their own homes and they have their own food. Then why do we share? Through food, the bond of love, bond of unity, bond of affinity builds up. And Jesus knew about this because he himself had meals with others. Once he left home, he had no home. So with his disciples, he had meals wherever it was available. He was at the wedding of Cana. He was at the home of Zacchaeus, at the home of Matthew. He was at the home of Pharisee Simon for a meal. And he went quite often to his friends Mary, Martha, and Lazarus, and surely had a meal there. After his resurrection, he prepared breakfast for his disciples. And when he appeared to them in a room and they didn't believe that he has risen, he told them, "Do you have something to eat?" And they gave him a piece of fried fish and he ate in their presence.